Hello everyone, TCLR Guy 2012 here with a bit of a different video today. Today I'm going to be upgrading the graphics card in my gaming PC. This is also the PC I used to use to edit the videos for this channel, and my new graphics card just turned up, so I thought I may as well make a video of it to see if anyone's interested in it. And most of you watching the channel might not be interested in this at all, but I thought, hey, may as well give it a shot, see what people think. So, this is the card in question. It is an ASUS, I don't know how to pronounce it, Turbo GTX 1060 edition, non-overclocked, with 6 GB of VRAM in it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so start off, let's see what's in the box. So the first time I'm doing a video from this perspective, I usually can't see the camera when I'm recording, so this could turn out rather shocking. Hey, so on the box, we've got a picture of the item, company name, some information. Apparently you get a free game license for this. I'm not sure if I'll use that, but hey, it might be a good idea to try. Hey, so let's pull this open and let's see what's inside. Oh, that's nice. Got a nice shiny logo on it. It's actually a nice box. Let's see. You can see it. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Some just plain old foam packaging in it. And there we go. There she is. Oh, let's see if I can get the anti-static packaging out. And I'm trying to get some shot. Let's see, can I get this open? Oh, it's sellotaped. Hang on. There we go. There she is. Still got all the cellophane and everything on it. But I'll take that off for myself. Yeah, isn't that some nice? Got all the circuitry on the back there, and if I'm right, if I remember, there's 2 HDMI's and 2 display ports and a DVI, which is what I'm going to be using. So yeah, that is one nice looking graphics card. Just put that. Oh, hang on. I'll just put the outside stuff packaging. See what else is in the box. Oh, that's nice. A driver, it looks like, which probably not going to be using anyway. We'll just download the latest one. Instructions about how to set it up, how to install it. Might need those later. And something about getting a free game with this. Right? So, we've got everything out of the box. So, next thing to do is to open the system up properly and get to installing. See you guys in a sec. Okay, so I've got the side of my case open, and I've got my old graphics card just here. This is a GT630. To any of you who knows what it is, it's rather outdated, and it was outdated when I got it, and I'm now going to upgrade it. It was always meant to be a temporary card. So, to do this, what you're going to need to have some way to ground your case itself. This is a metal case, so I can just use the case. And you should just need a simple crosshead screwdriver. So, first thing you're going to need to do is find out where all the mounting screws are. You might not be able to see on the camera, but for this being just for the old one, just one little screw there, which there we go. Just undo the screw. Sure not to drop it like that. And then you need to, I've got to remember to pull the release clip, and then okay, then it should just pop right out unless I didn't get the right release clip. Hang on. go. If you're going to touch the board, make sure you don't touch anything electrical. Okay? So, now we've got the graphics card out, I need to go and get the other one, because I've still got it onto one side. So, I will be back in a sec. Okay, this is the second time I've installed this now, because the camera died on attempt 1. Fun. Okay, so, now I've got the old one out. What we need to do is grab the new graphics card. Make sure you try not to touch, and then you need to slide it into the case. Make sure not to touch any of the metal contacts on the back to anything metal if you can avoid it. And you need to line it up. The little row of 16 pins with the bottom and the little metal clip to there, and then gently push down until you hear a click, and that's secured. You need to take a little screw, which will either this came in my last graphics card, and you just use that to secure it. Then once it's secured, final job is, if it's got one, to connect the 6-pin power. Now, as I discovered on the first time installing this, it doesn't actually, this case doesn't support a power connector all the way over here, so I might actually be changing my case, but it does go in. Nice firm push, and once you think it's secure, okay, so that's now secure. Next job to do is put the case back together and check that it boots, and then go through and install all the drivers we need. Okay, so I will see you in a sec. Okay, so I've got the case back under the desk, got power plugged in, monitor plugged in, mouse and keyboard, got the power on. I've got the case side off because, as I've just discovered, there's a bit of a problem with the power connector in this case. It doesn't fit properly, so I'm going to have to look somewhere. But anyway, and also get to see it fire up. So, without ado, let's power it on. Are we going to get a beep? Hey! That little beep there means we have installed the graphics card correctly. No errors or anything. I've got it displayed on my screen. So, I will get back to you once it's all booted up and show you how to install the drivers in this thing. See you in a sec. Okay, so computer's all booted up, and one thing I have discovered is that I was a bit wrong about having to install the drivers. The disk that comes with it, what it does is it has some software loaded onto it for GPU and either, but all it does is when if I just click install, I did actually try to record this, but it didn't actually record it. I hit the record button. Yeah. All this stuff on here, these 2 bits of software here, the only 2 bits of software actually on that disk. And this one, ASUS APRP, that's ASUS product registration package. So all it does is ask you to register the product, and then the other one's some game streaming software. So you might want to install them. But this here, GeForce Experience, this is the NVIDIA driver. And look what it tells you to do. Oh, okay, correction. The GeForce Experience, that is installed by your graphics card, usually. When you plug it in, it will install it. If you've had an NVIDIA card before, you'll have it installed already. And then you just go on that and you download the driver through that. That's all you have to do. So you don't need this disk or anything. The thing underneath this, well, if you click install, it'll just take you to the ASUS website. And what that installs is actually rather helpful. So if I go to here, and this is what you'll see in a second. Here we go. And this here is monitoring everything on your GPU. So you've got clock, voltage, fan speed, all temperature, DPU, all this. Now what you can do is you can make all your own settings, so you can change every setting on this. So if I go to professional mode, I'm just going to show you something rather simple you can change with the fan speed, and something you'll actually notice. So I'm not sure that my mic's going to pick it up, but if I hit apply, you'll hear the fan speed up. Just watch over here. Now I'm not sure how well you can hear that, or if you can hear it at all, but it's pretty loud when it gets running. But I'm just like, that is a pretty cool thing. But usually you leave it on auto, but you can go through all these settings and customize them. You can actually build up your own fan curves and everything. So overall, I'm pretty happy with this card, and I hope someone found this video helpful, even if it's just a review of the card. So I'm also going to be doing a video on migrating the system from one case to another, because I can't get my case closed, as I said earlier. I've got a new case coming in a few days. I'm going to migrate that across. I'll do a video on that. Please feel free to leave any comments or suggestions about this video or future videos in the comment section down below. I very much appreciate it. That's it really. CC Lago 812 out.